M.S. Swaminathan, 1925. He is an agriculture scientist. He is known as the father of Green Revolution in India for his leadership and success in introducing and further developing high-yielding varieties of wheat in India. His vision was to rid the world of hunger and poverty. Louis Pasteur, 1822 to 1895. In France, a miracle happened. A little boy, which would later be recognized all around the world as one of the greatest scientists who had ever lived, Louis Pasteur, the founder of the antidote for rabies, anthrax, chickenpox, cholera, and many more life-threatening diseases. Hermann Staudinger, 1881 to 1965. He discovered the plastic. In 1920 to 1930, different types of plastic like PVC were introduced. He got Nobel Prize for Development of Plastic in 1953. The Silver Story. People first mined silver in the Bronze Age for jewelry. Silver was quite easy to find over Europe and West Asia. The biggest problem among people was silver ore, the rocks that had silver in them. It generally had lead in it. This made lead mining and silver mining the same thing. But lead is very poisonous. So the men who are mining the silver were also being poisoned by lead. Most lead and silver miners died of lead poisoning in 2 or 3 years. Because of this, most of the free men refused to work in the silver and lead mines. And so they were forced as slaves to work in the mines instead. One famous silver mine was Lurion mine near Athens in Greece about 500 BC. The silver mine helped Athens to become a powerful state. J.B. Priestley, 1774. J.B. Priestley was an English scientist. He discovered oxygen in 1774, which is essential for respiration and combustion. Valerie Jane Morris Goodall, 1934. She works for the protection of wildlife specially. She has done studies on chimpanzees. She has been working for the conservation of wildlife since last 40 years. She is the author of the following books on wildlife and animals. Anton von Leeuwenhoek, 1632 to 1732. The father of microscopy, Anton von Leeuwenhoek of Holland, started as an apprentice in a dry goods store where magnifying glasses were used to count the threads in clothes. He built the microscope and is famous for the biological discoveries of muscle fibers, bacteria, and blood flow in capillaries. Dr. Patrick Steptoe. He was a gynecologist at Cambridge University, developed a technique for in vitro fertilization outside the body of mother. On July 25, 1978, Louis Joy Brown was born as world's first test tube baby in Great Britain. Sir Isaac Newton, 1642 to 1727. Newton is considered to be the father of mathematics and physics. He presented the theory of gravitation and the law of motion. Newton also explained to the world that white light is a mixture of 7 colors and how a rainbow is formed. Alfred Bernhard Nobel, 1833 to 1896. He was a Swedish chemist, engineer, and innovator of dynamite. He owned Bofors, a major armaments manufacturing unit. He used his enormous fortune to institute the Nobel Prize. in 1895, leaving his wealth for its establishment. Blaise Pascal, 1623 to 1662. Blaise Pascal was a very influential French mathematician and philosopher who contributed to many areas of mathematics. He worked on conic section and projective geometry. He was honored and awarded for the theory known as Pascal theory. Ernst Mach, 1838 to 1916, was Austrian physicist who discovered about the sonic boom. One of the best known of Mach's ideas is the so-called Mach's principle concerning the physical origin of inertia. He is known for Mach number, Stokes waves and Mach waves. Michael Faraday, 1791 to 1867. He was an English chemist and physicist who contributed to the fields of electromagnetism and electrochemistry. Faraday studied the magnetic field around a conductor carrying a direct current and established the basis for the electromagnetic field concept in physics. He is known for Faraday effect and many more discoveries. William Gilbert, 1544 to 1603. William Gilbert was an English physician and natural philosopher and is credited as one of the originators of term electricity. He is regarded as father of electrical engineering of electricity and magnetism. He also studied static electricity using amber. Louis Braille, 1809 to 1852. He was inventor of Braille, a worldwide system used by blind and visually impaired people for reading and writing. Louis Braille became blind at the age of 3, accidentally. Edmund Halley, 1656 to 1742. He did a lot of research on the comets. He predicted about appearance of particular comet in 1759, 1835, 1910 and 1986. This comet is known as Halley's Comet. Dr. R. K. Pachauri, 1940. Dr. R. K. Pachauri was born in Nainital, India in 20th August 1940. He is currently the head of TERI, Tata Energy Research Institute. His immense contribution is towards field of environment. He has also authored 21 books and several papers and articles on the conservation of energy and environment. Frederick Gardner Cottrell. He invented in 1906 an electrical device which can remove suspended dust particles, fumes or mist from air. It also helps in removing pollution causing substance from exhaust of factories and power plants.